Hello everyone. Today we will learn how flowering plants prevent self-pollination and promote cross-pollination. अगर एक ही फूल में पोलन और स्टिग्मा है तो क्या सेल्फ पोलिनेशन हमेशा होगी? Most flowers are hermaphrodite, which means they have both male and female parts, anther and stigma. But continuous self-pollination leads to inbreeding depression, which reduce health and variations in the population. So, plants have evolved special outbreeding devices to avoid this. The first device is called dichogamy. In some plants, pollen is released before the stigma becomes receptive, or the stigma becomes receptive before pollen release. This mismatch in timing ensure they don't fertilize themselves. For example, in sunflower, stigma and anthers mature at different times. मतलब फूल समय की चालाकी से सेल्फ पोलिनेशन रोकते हैं. It's like nature's own scheduling trick. The second device is hercogamy. When anther and stigma are positioned in such a way that pollen cannot reach the stigma of the same flower. For example, in Gloriosa, the structure of the flower keeps anther and stigma apart. जी हाँ, पोजीशन बदलकर भी सेल्फ पोलिनेशन को अवॉइड किया जा सकता है. Yes, it's a clever strategy to ensure cross pollination. Another amazing mechanism is self incompatibility. It is a genetic barrier. Even if the pollen of the same plant lands on the stigma, it fails to germinate or pollen tube does not grow. For example, in Brassica, this mechanism blocks self pollen from fertilizing the ovule. मतलब प्लांट खुद के पोलन को पहचान कर भी रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं. Another method is to have separate male and female flowers. The plants are monoecious plants and dioecious plants. Monoecious plants. Both male and female flowers are on the same plant. For example, maize and castor. Prevents autogamy, but geitonogamy can still occur. Dioecious plants. Male and female flowers are on separate plants. For example, papaya. इसका मतलब अगर मेल और फीमेल फ्लावर्स अलग अलग पौधों पर हैं तो क्रॉस पोलिनेशन ही होगी. Yes, exactly. That's why dioecious ensure true cross pollination. Let's quick review about the outbreeding devices. We have studied different mechanisms, or we can say outbreeding devices. Dichogamy, having different maturation time, for example, sunflower. Orthogamy, physical separation of anther and stigma, for example, gloriosa. Self-incompatibility, genetic rejection of cell pollen, for example, brassica. Monoecious, male and female flowers on same plant, for example, maize and castor. Dioecious, males and female flowers on different plants, for example, papaya. So, can you answer these questions? What is inbreeding depression? Second, name one plant that show self-incompatibility. Name a dioecious plant. And the last question, why is dichogamy important in plants? It's amazing how plants have their own strategy to ensure healthy reproduction. बिल्कुल सही। पौधे भी स्मार्ट होते हैं, कितना सोचते हैं अपने फ्यूचर के लिए। So it's all about outbreeding devices. Thank you all.